We've got Cynful Cajun chicken pasta today. Start out by seasoning your chicken with salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and of course that wonderful Cynful blackening seasoning. Add some olive oil to it and toss it so that it coats the chicken with the seasonings. Add some oil to a saute pan over medium-high heat and go ahead and add them onions. Cook them until they start to turn translucent, then add the chicken. We're going to cook the chicken until there's no more pink left and it's good and sauteed. Remove from the pan and set aside. Now we're going to add about 3 to 4 cups of heavy cream to that same pan and just kind of stand there and stir it for a while until it starts to thicken. You want to get a good simmer going, and then we're going to go ahead and add the blackening seasoning, some salt, and some pepper. We're going to keep that cooking until it gets good and thick, and it'll leave a track on the back of your spatula just like that. Return the chicken to the pan and stir to coat. Pour all that sauce and chicken into your pasta that you've already made and stir until the pasta is well coated with the sauce. We're going to transfer that pasta and the sauce and chicken into a baking dish and spread evenly. Cover with some foil. Put it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 20 minutes. Should come out like this. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then go ahead and serve it up. What we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit more of that blackening seasoning, and you can add some chopped tomatoes and some sliced green onion to garnish. Really wonderful meal here. And I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the recipe anyway right here. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.